2018 Dodge Ram 1500 5.7 liter Hemi with stock catalytic converters into a Super 10 Flowmaster, 2 1/4 tailpipes, into 4-inch black tips. We just got this sucker done. Came out really nice. There's the black tips on it. Really beautifully done. There's that Flowmaster Super 10. This is what came off of it. There's a muffler and tailpipe. Again, 2018 Dodge Ram 5.7 liter Hemi. Much better. Beautiful truck. Ram 1500, all blacked out.